kayang-kaya din niyang i-track yung ating mga employees' attendance at can generate payroll and payslip po. The system will detect kung sino ka or sino yung nagta-time and automatically po nakapag-record na din po dito sa ating data. Hi everyone, this is Rose from BitPOS po. And sa video na ito, I am going to show you another feature here sa ating MOT application. So, in our MOT application po, it's actually an all-in-one solution for all types of businesses from retail, distribution, services, food and beverages, and many more. What's nice here is that it's not only capable in tracking your inventory, your sales, and your purchases, kayang-kaya din niyang i-track yung ating mga employees' attendance. At the same time, it can generate payroll and payslip po using the same printer that you are using inside the store location. So, it's very cost-efficient and cost-effective for your business. So, let me show you how it works. We have here yung ating MOT application po. I have this 3-line icon here na kapag login ako using my admin or my cashiering account, you can actually log into any account po. It's okay. The system will detect kung sino ka or sino yung nagta-time in sa ating mga employee by identifying your facial ID po. So, tap this 3-line icon po. Tap lang po natin yung attendance. And we have here a data po kung saan makikita natin yung mga employees time in and time out at the same time corresponding name and date. So, first things first po, yung gagawin ko, since my face is already registered here in the system, I am going to tap start. Harap ko lang po yung aking and then I'm going to tap time in. I'm going to look at the camera po here. Ayan, titingin lang ako sa camera. And then, while the system is identifying who I am po, system will confirm FaceTime in okay, my name, Bitpos Rose, the date, the year, the time, and you can already see here po na na-capture na yung aking attendance. And we have your data on top, we have my time in here. So, ganun lang kadali, nagsiselfie ka lang if you want to do your attendance time in and time out. For the time out as well, tap ko lang po yung time out button, tap ko lang, start ulit, and then I'm going to look at the camera once again po. And then, once I look at the camera po, tap ko lang po yung time out. Ayan, so, I'm just gonna focus myself looking at the camera kasi para tayo nagsiselfie talaga. So, once the system will identify who I am po, system will confirm time out, Bitpos Rose, and automatically po, nakapag-record na din po dito sa ating data kung saan you will see my name, my time in, and my time out po. So, now, since the employee will be using the tablet po, the POS admin po or the owner can use the computer or any other devices na magagamit nila for generating the payroll or the payslip as well. Anong advantage nito? Here in our setup po, naka-link base siya. It means that this can be accessed outside the store location where you can see here, this is my name, Bitpos Rose po. The range of date from April 21 to May 5 po. Yan po yung cut-off ko. And you will see the time in and time out of this employee po. If I tap Create Pay, you can already see here po, nandito na yung mga leave credits, yung rate niya per day, 13th month, if there are overtime, you can also see here po yung mga contribution, SS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, CA, mga cash advance natin, and the bank account at the same time yung account number. So this setup po is also preparation since this can be exported into an Excel file. Pwede po siyang gamitin for the payroll sa mga banks para mas mabilis and mas efficient na po siya. So if I'm going to tap save and print, automatically po, using the same printer that we use inside the tindahan, this is a sample printout of our payslip. Ayan, very nice, right? So, napakaganda, very cost-effective, same printer lang, hindi na natin kailangang bumili ng bago. So, here, aside from the payslip generation po, we also have this button here po, which we called statistics, where you can actually see kung sino yung mga employees natin na laging present, Laging absent, laging late or undertime. We call this one honorable mentions. Kung baga, para alam natin, uy, si employee ganito laging absent, si ganito laging present po. So it's very efficient and very nice because you can already see it and you can also generate your report anytime, anywhere, to any type of devices. PC-based, tablet, cellphone, laptop, or anything po. If you want to know more paano nagwo-work yung ating BitPOS MOT with our payroll and payslip generation po, you may book an online demo and message us today.